Back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing french fried chicken. As you can see, I already cleaned and cut up my chicken and washed with vinegar. Here I'm going to use to season up my chicken. Here I have some pink chicken season, all-purpose season to the bone, some powder jerk season. Here I have some hot pepper, scallion, onion, and a piece of thyme. Now I'm going to season my chicken. I'm going to season my chicken. I mixed up all the season together. Now I mix up all the season together. Now I'm going to season my chicken. Now I add all the powder season. Now I'm going to add all the natural seasoning. See, all the powder seasoning and natural seasoning, right? Now I'm going to mix up my chicken. And make sure it's seasoned well. Now you can see my chicken is finished seasoned. Now I'm going to leave it to marinate for about 2 hours or 2.5 hours, and then it's ready to fry. My chicken is finished marinate now. Now it's ready to fry. Now the pot is on the stove. Now I'm going to pour some oil into it to fry my chicken. Now the oil is in the pot. I'm going to put a Scotch bonnet pepper in it, 2 pegs of garlic, a piece of thyme to burn in the oil. Now I'm going to flour my chicken. If you take off the seasoning for it, you cannot put the seasoning in it, it will get burned. You don't want the chicken to get burned up. So kindly take off the season off it, the natural season off the chicken. See, guys, I've floured my chicken. Flouring my chicken. Make sure it's well floured. My chicken is finished floured. Now I'm going to put it in the pot. Now I'm putting my chicken in the oil to fry. Here, my chicken in the pot frying. Now I'm going to give my chicken the first turn. Now I'm going to take out my chicken. It's already finished fried. There is my end of my french fried chicken. Look at it, guys, nice and golden brown. Smells so good. Wish y'all could just smell it.